welcome back to my channel. So today I will teach you basically how to use a formula. Okay, so when you will enter the dollars or rupees, anything, your currencies, so it will automatically add up. Okay, so I will apply here a formula. So it is basically about client payment receivable, you can say account receivables, then office rent, medical billing services, software subscription, outstanding client invoice, vendor payment due. So some of them are also included in bookkeeping, so you can say I am also teaching bookkeeping. So it is a great formula, so it will save your time, and basically when you will enter the values, it will automatically add up. Okay, so I will use that automatic formula here. When I will select this row, okay, then tap on the insert button, then come down here the function button. When you will navigate here, here is a sum option. Okay, when you will click on here, here we go. So basically I have generated, then I will drag this down. Okay, so you can add up many things, you can add up many rows and columns. Okay, so it depends upon your work structure. You can design, or you can also work on your CSV files, PDF, everything. So this is a great and simple formula. So I have applied this formula. Okay, so you can stop the video and watch how I applied that formula. Okay, so for example I will put values here. Okay, then it will automatically add up like 10. Then you can see 10 comes here automatically. When you will add these things manually, it will take your time. Okay, so it is a digital era, so you should build up your skills like in that way. So that would be great. Okay, so then I will put here like $20, right? Then $40, then here 50, yeah, $40 again. Then the last balance, like I will also teach you the profit and loss. Okay, so bookkeeping is also too much simple. So my background is in an engineering, so I know each and everything. So I worked on practically, so that's why I'm good in math, everything. So I will teach you everything. Okay, so like I will put here 50, no, 59. Then you can say it automatically add up. Okay, then you can fill the below rows as well. Okay, so I will put here 70, anything. When you will put here, it will automatically add here. Okay, like 50, then it will automatically add in this row. This you can say the total. Yes, so you can set total. Okay, then you can also change colors from here. Okay, so this is a great one. You can also add here. So basically for total you can also apply the sum formula. Okay, like here you should put 59, then 80, then 90, then 100. Okay, so you can apply anything. I will also apply here a formula. When I will select this one, then yeah, insert, then sum. Okay, so it will sum automatically. So this is a great thing, so we should learn. Okay, we should enhance our skills on the daily basis, because without skills we can't survive. Okay, so for that you should do hard work, and you can say coloring is also good in the rows. So I can also convert this into a table. Okay, so it also looks like amazing, everything like in a zoom way. Okay, thank you so much viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button. I am teaching practical skills, you know. I'm teaching you say medical billing. I will teach you everything. Okay, so thank you so much. Please tap on the subscribe button.